All right, we got some upgrades here, guys. So we got the Vicrest wheels. I'm going to show you guys what they look like. So it was a staggered set that I ended up going with. I'm going to put this down. So it's a staggered set. It's 20 by 9.5 for the front. And then we'll take a look at the back. So we got 20 by 9.5 in the front, 20 by 10.5 matte black. So these are red eye demon style, and it's going to be going on the Challenger. If you take a look, it's going to match these bravados pretty nicely. So you know what? I'm going to take the back out and show you guys. So there's a handful of other options that you could choose from. My Charger has the wide body Hellcat design. I love those. I didn't want to double up on that. The other option that I was kicking around doing was the old school or the older Hellcat wheels. I had those earlier on in my Charger. I loved them. But, you know, when I saw this, I was like, you know what? Let me give this a try. I really like this design. Oh, that looks good. Yes. Oh my God. So this is gonna be nice. And these should fit the 305 or 315, no problem. I believe my wide body wheels are 20 by 11 and those fit perfectly. So, but I wanted a staggered set with this. You know, I want a thinner front and then that beefy back look, you know, very muscle car looking. All right, so I'm gonna take this out and then I'll show you what it looks like kind of over there. Oh man, these are light too. That was probably not necessary. All right, so I didn't need to do this, but I don't want to put it on the ground. I think this is going to look really slick. So I haven't decided if I want to use these 305s, but I believe that the 245s will be able to go on the 9.5. I don't know, I'm kind of stretching it at that point, but I'm gonna see what the shop says. If not, then I'll upgrade to 275s for the front, 305 or 315 in the back. And that's really, this is the start here. Again, if you haven't caught it already, I unlocked the PCM in this bad boy. No tune applied yet, okay? So a lot of people were asking before and after what I thought about the tune, and there's no tune. It's still rolling around, very stock. I have the new wheels going on, and then there's something else that's should be coming today, and then we'll start the process of actually, you know, modifying and getting this thing ripping and gripping. So I'm really excited. Vicrest does an awesome job. Anybody that hasn't checked out their website, definitely go ahead and do it. I'll tell you, they have probably the best selection. Every time I go on their website, they have like at least 4 or 5 options between, you know, what choices you want to do or what choices they have. It was really between this, Demon replica wheels, Hellcat, and you know, I didn't want to double up on the design, so this is it, and I love it. You know, if you take a look at the design too, it's very similar to this. So when I have my drag radial set up on, it's not going to look too crazy. It's not going to look far off. You wouldn't look at the setup and go, wow, that's looks weird. A lot of people, they have like a drag racing setup, and their back tire, their drag setup just doesn't look anything like their front, and it looks kind of clunky and weird. I love this design. So, all right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Always interested to hear what you have to say. Plenty of modifications going to be funneling in, and you know, hopefully the Scatpack gets a little bit more support. I know a lot of people, you know, not overly enthusiastic about the Scatpack, and the reason for this is because it's probably been overdone. You know, so many guys have a 392 build, but you know, I'm doing this mostly for me. I just can't wait to have the Charger and the Challenger, and both of them making some awesome power. So, all right. There we go. Guys, I'm going to show you some of the other options that I was going to be choosing from on the website, Vicres. And, you know, again, some great options out there. That's the part that I love about these, you know, modifying, is the fact that there's just so many different options out there for you. And, you know, you can kind of build one of these things up as you see fit. Maybe, you know, one of a kind kind of a deal. So...